Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel, and right now we're going to create the coins system so that you can import this into your own game. We'll create this right now. Let's start off right now. First, you need a player. So go to your player, do behaviors, and you'll need to start a bundle. I always like to have everything organized, so start a bundle, and this will be coins. Oops, coins. Okay, now open bundle, and you'll need some triggers. So you'll need a mailbox, and this is going to be coins or coin. Now you'll need to add two numbers, 1 and 2. Get 1. So like this. So you collide with a coin, it gives you 1 coin, and yeah, that's how it works. And you'll also need in the GUI, you'll need a label, and this label will be 0. And pick a color. I want a color to be, yellow. And then you'll need another label which will say simply, let's do this, coins. And you're done. Now go to the value, connect this to the value, and yeah, you're done here. Now go to back to the level and adjust your coins. So coins is over here and the 0 is over here. Hopefully you can see it. Now let's go back to the coins and let's change the color. I kind of want to change the color to something, more brighter, something more vibrant. Let's do let's do yellow. Let's do yellow. So let's keep it yellow. Now coins. We have 0 coins. Now go and create another object, and this will be coin. Go over here, browse, and select character, and do pixel objects. Okay, now once it's loaded, pick this. Now I also want to add an animation, so I'll do create new animation and do coins animation. Okay, click on OK and add this. Rotate this like this and this like this. Okay, now that you're done with this, let's see. So if you click the pause, the coin will be twisting, an animation. Pretty cool. So let's go to physics is solid. I'll keep it solid. Go to the behaviors now, and you'll need to add a collision. So if a collision, any type, player, collision with player, go to the components, add a destroyer block, and add a message block. And remember, in the player, we added a coins mailbox. So add this coin. Make sure that your names are the same, and send this to player. Click on OK. And oh, we also need to add that animation. Remember, so once go to your properties, do animation, start, and then loop animation. Click on OK. Okay, there you go. So let's just clone our coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as soon as you collect them, see, you've made a coin system for yourself in like barely any time. Also, if you don't want it to be solid, you can always make it to be enable collisions. It's still working, so yeah, just do enable collisions. It's way easier that way. There you go. You've got yourself a coin system. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Make sure that you watch the videos down in the link the description where I actually make a player shoot ammo and actually buy ammo. And I'll check you guys out in another video that I'm going to be uploading soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.